AI is everywhere, even YouTube. Hey everyone, Mark Rober here. We've all seen it. AI is blowing up. Self-driving cars, robots making art. It's wild. And guess what? It's coming to YouTube too. Yeah, you heard that right. AI can help make videos now. Think about it, writing scripts can take forever. Editing, don't even get me started, but AI tools like ChatGPT can help write scripts super fast. Need help with editing? Boom! Runway ML is here to save the day. And it gets even crazier. VidIQ uses AI to help your videos get seen by more people. It's like magic, but with algorithms, AI is changing the game, folks. But hold on, before you freak out and think robots are taking over, let's talk about what AI can do. So how does AI actually help with YouTube? Let's break it down. First up, script writing. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas and even write entire scripts based on your prompts. It's like having a writing buddy available 24/7. Next, video editing. Runway ML can do some seriously impressive stuff, like removing backgrounds, adding special effects, and even animating your videos. It's like having a Hollywood-level editing team at your fingertips. And then there's SEO, the secret sauce to getting your videos seen. VidIQ uses AI to analyze keywords, optimize your titles and descriptions, and basically do everything it can to get your video in front of the right audience. AI tools are getting better every day. It's honestly pretty amazing to see what they can do. Okay, this is where things get really interesting. Some people have actually used AI to create entire YouTube channels from start to finish. We're talking scripts, voiceovers, editing, even thumbnails. Imagine this. You tell DALL-E, an AI art generator, to create a thumbnail of a robot holding a camera. Boom! You've got a custom thumbnail that looks awesome. It's mind-blowing. But here's the thing. Even though AI can create a whole YouTube channel, it's missing something crucial. Something that only humans have. AI is powerful, no doubt, but can it replace human YouTubers? Not a chance. Here's why. AI lacks the human touch. It can't replicate our creativity, our humor, our ability to connect with an audience on an emotional level. When I make a video, I pour my heart and soul into it. I share my experiences, my failures, my triumphs. I connect with my audience in a way that AI simply can't. And that's what makes YouTube so special. It's about human connection. So while AI can be an awesome tool for content creators, it can't replace us. We're the ones with the ideas, the passion, and the creativity that make YouTube the amazing platform it is. And that's something AI can never replicate.